Most recruitment platforms fail before candidates even apply, not because the features are bad, but because the interface destroys credibility. And in HR SaaS, user experience changes everything. Today, I want to show you the difference between a bad ATS dashboard versus a premium recruitment SaaS experience with HirePulse PRO. Let's start with the bad version. Immediately, the dashboard feels chaotic. Too many colors, no visual hierarchy, confusing candidate data, broken workflows, messy tables everywhere. Nothing feels professional. And that's a huge problem for recruitment software. Because HR teams deal with candidates, interviews, hiring pipelines, resumes, evaluations, communication workflows. If the interface feels confusing, recruiters lose time instantly. Now look at the candidates page. The hiring stages are unclear. The scores make no sense. The actions feel random. You don't know who passed, who failed, who needs attention, or what the next hiring step is. Instead of helping recruiters move faster, the UI creates stress. Now let's check the hiring pipeline. A recruitment pipeline should feel structured and fluid. But here, everything feels broken. The Kanban experience is messy. The stages are inconsistent. The information hierarchy is terrible. And when recruiters manage dozens of candidates, bad UX becomes a real business problem. Now look at the interview scheduling system. The calendar feels confusing. The interview data is unclear. The workflow has no logic. Nothing feels like a real SaaS product. And that's the difference between a simple template and a real product experience. Now let's compare this with HirePulse PRO. Immediately, everything changes. The interface feels clean. The dashboard feels structured. The typography looks modern. The candidate flow makes sense. The hiring pipeline feels professional. Now, recruiters instantly understand candidate status, interview progress, hiring stages, analytics, team workflows. And that improves productivity immediately. Because HR SaaS platforms are not only about features, they're about workflow clarity. HirePulse PRO was designed like a real ATS platform, not just a dashboard UI. You get modern recruitment dashboards, complete ATS workflows, candidate management, hiring Kanban pipeline, interview scheduling, analytics and reports, messaging system, billing pages, 35 plus premium pages. Everything feels production ready. And that changes how users perceive your platform instantly. Because in recruitment SaaS, design affects trust, speed, and productivity. A bad UI creates friction. A premium UI creates flow. And flow is what makes software feel valuable. If you want to build a modern recruitment or HR platform faster, HirePulse PRO gives you a real premium SaaS foundation instead of starting from scratch. Check the link below to explore the full template.